unbox a HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i. Huawei, baka naman.
What's up, fellas? Welcome back to my channel. This is rlhaojiao. It's rlhaojiao for video. And for today's video, we will be going to unbox the HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i. We will going to reveal its pros and cons and also the specification of the device. But before that, one pastilan. Let me remind you, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my upcoming videos. And also, please do subscribe to my channel members. And also, please do follow on my other social media platform, the Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page. All the links are in the description box below para di na mo maglisod. Di pareha sa iya ha. Biskan ka balungan naglisod na ka. Sige, gihapon ka. Yeah. Excited? I am excited. Let's do the unboxing. The HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i is one of the sophisticated budget-friendly wireless earbuds nowadays. And now let's open our FreeBuds 4i. So, this is our FreeBuds 4i. Bagong-bago pa, naka-sealed pa yung box. So, yan po yung merely specification of the box. HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i active noise cancellation, 10 hours of playback for a full charge, crystal clear audio, and 4 hours of playback, 10 hours charge. So, tadan! Let's open it. So, ang HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i is one of the budget-friendly earbuds nowadays. So this is the main case buds, and also ayan, sobrang ano niya, sobrang ganda niya. Pakinis at saka sobrang handy sa kamay. Sobrang handy at saka maliit siya. Actually, I am expecting more on this buds kasi nakabili ako nung isa which is different shape. And this one is very very light. Yan po yung buds niya. And sobrang ganda kasi para siyang buds ng iPhone. Very small. Yan. Sobrang slippery niya. Polish kasi yung belt ng katawan niya. Yan. So, sabi nila this one has its active noise cancellation. So, we will try this one. And this is yung Type-C wireless charging niya. To power up, to unplug, and also, let's see kung ano pa yung laman ng box natin. So, meron tayong charging Type-C. Yan yung Type-C para makonect natin dito sa ating buds case. And also, kasi fast charging to siya. And also, ang thick ng charger niya. So, let's see kung ano pang meron dito sa box natin. So, as usual, meron tayong guidelines, manual. And also, tignan pa natin kung ano yung laman. Ayan, meron tayong spare ng manuals and guidelines, and also let me check this one out. Yan, this is the manual, safety information. So marami siyang, and also warranty cards kasi every device of HUAWEI has its 1-year warranty. So keep natin siya, set aside, and we'll check kung ano pa yung ibang laman ng ating box ng ating HUAWEI. So ito yung laman niya. So we'll check this small piece of plastic. Oh, this is the spare buds of the earbuds. Yung rubber part niya doon sa buds. So papakita ko mamaya kung saan yun banda. So let's open this one first para makita nyo. if, let's see kung meron siyang sizes. Kasi iba't iba yung size ng hole ng tenga ng tao. Merong maliit, merong malaki. So, let's see. Ayan. So, magkapareha sila. So, ano siya? Magkapareha siya na spare. Same size. Ayan. Zoom in natin para makita. Ayan. So, papakita natin sa video na to kung saan yung buds na nakita natin. Yan. So, ito yung pong isasaksak sa tenga natin. So, yan yung spare. Yan yung magiging spare niya. Pag once na siya, madumi na siya or kailangan mo nang palitan. So, yun yung spare natin. According to the user customer post review, they're extremely comfortable, will last most of a day on a single charge, have IPX4 for water resistance, and their active noise cancellation is decent for the money. The FreeBuds 4i are an attractive pair of affordable ANC headphones this year. Napakasulit, 'di ba? Sa halagang 299 dirhams, about 309 PHP, Philippine money, meron ka ng HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i.
What you gonna do? I don't wanna be the one who just keeps on chasing you, baby. But you know it's true.
Taran! Ito po yung ating na-unbox today. It's ang HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i. Ayan, sobrang liit lang niya. Ayan, sobrang liit niya. And it's very handy sa pocket natin kung lalagay natin siya. And the price itself is very swak sa budget nyo. Kung you're looking for a not costly but very classy and also good quality device, i-recommend ko ang FreeBuds 4i. But the pros, we already discussed all the pros of the specification and features of this device. The only thing I can say to this device is yung connectivity in terms of clarity, audio receiver, like kung tinatawagan ako and yung receiver ng tinatawagan ko, true call, is sabi niya is not that clear.
Pares na pagmamahal mo sa kanya. Kahit alam mong very clear na wala kayong label sa isa't isa, pilit mo pa rin pinipilit sarili mo sa kanya. Yeah!
Yung receiver ng tinatawagan ko, true call, is...
And I also observed from the time na siya yung pinagamit ko and through my phone, yun nga, hindi siya masyadong mukhang malayo yung at saka yung surroundings ng area is nadidinig pa din. Kahit na naka-on na yung noise cancellation ko, hope na ma-improve nila on that negative side ng device na to. But overall, the specification, the price, and the build itself of the device is very, very, very classy and very nice. Polished, and para sa akin is okay siya sa akin. And guys, hope you like this video. Whatever your comments na pwede nyo ibato, you can comment down in the comment box section. So I'll be happy to read that one. And if ever you have questions, you can also ask question in the comment box section. Hope to see you in my next video. See you next time. God bless. I'd like to say thank you who sponsored this FreeBuds 4i. Shout out sa kaibigan ko, my best friend. Thank you so much.